Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and over here is the lovely and the talented Natasha. Make a down BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say
BOOZHOO!
hello to the people.
BOOZHOO, Gakina! Hello, everyone! How you doing?
Yeah, and today our Ojibwe word of the day, or phrase of the day, or something, is DIBIKAK. Tonight, this night, everything will be alright. DIBIKAK. This night, DIBIKAK. You know, and all right. We didn't plan this at all. Okay. Well, let me just say thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa, hoa.
What? No, it's fine.